super delegates, 945 or so. Some executives got as much as or as high as 100,000 Ghana cedis, which is 1 billion cedis.
For TNT?
Whatever they call it. Some got Navara pickups. I have the pictures here. If they dare me, I'll put it on social media for everybody to see.
I think yesterday you showed it in Tolong.
Good. They took brand new pickups, Navara. And Navara, like the Mitsubishi pickup I brought to Yana, is $40,000. So $40,000 multiplied by 11 is 440,000. Okay? In Ashanti region, some got as high as 150,000.
For just an individual with a single vote?
Yes. So I'm coming to that. Then some of the chairmen got Toyota Land Cruiser Prado. So why wouldn't he win? This time, I am advising all delegates, polling station executives, also to take at least 100,000. If not, don't vote for them. Because single vote, I can Agyapong with loud mouth sitting here, I have 1 vote. The polling station executive has 1 vote. Your chairman has 1 vote. Everybody has 1 vote. We put it together and it's 208,000. No single individual has 2 votes. And therefore, if an individual takes 100,000, 150,000, Land Cruiser Prado, Navara pickup, why would they come to you and give you 2,000? And what they are saying is, okay, we are going to give you 1,000 first. When you go, take a picture of your vote and come for another 1,000. It's a big insult. And we are not going to allow anybody to take a phone there. Who sees your phone? That's where the showdown is going to come in. Your fundamentals are weak. Your exchange rate will expose you. And today, you also come, the exchange rate is worse.
You are on IMF.
Right. How would you go and defend it? And are you saying that the NDC people are not Ghanaians and they don't know what is going on? And I'm the one who is inciting them? Please, that is fallacy of argumentum ad hominem.
We are about to make history in our party and history in this country. Unfortunately, the way the results of the superdelegates came, many of our opponents are confused and they are seeing looming defeat on November 4th. And because of that, they've decided to adopt some new tactics. The new tactics is what? If you miss the ball, don't miss the man. That is the new tactics that they are adopting. And so, what is the tactics? They have decided to spread lies and to bring disunity amongst us and to create problems between chairmen and constituency executives with polling station executives and electoral area coordinators. They want to knock our heads together. So they have come with different lies. I'm hearing a lie every day as I am sitting down and watching what they are saying. They say I've given all constituency chairmen, 275 constituency chairman, 100,000 Ghana cedis and a pickup. Have you seen any pickup here for your chairman? Chairman, this is just a ridiculous lie. Then they say, I will not allow in future polling station executives and electoral area coordinators to vote in the presidential elections. I mean, how can this happen? It's not possible for me to stop polling station executives and electoral area coordinators from voting. This was a national conference decision, and I was very supportive of expanding the electoral college to allow polling station executives and electoral area coordinators to vote. And by the grace of God, they will continue to vote. They will continue to vote. What I want to do is actually push for a new reform to allow electoral area coordinators to vote in the election of regional executives. So we want to rather expand and include everybody. We don't want to reduce. And so that lie must be put to rest. The third lie that I have heard this morning is that I want to say that all sitting MPs should go unopposed, that nobody should contest a sitting MP. How can I say that? The party constitution cannot even allow that. This party is stronger when we have democracy working. And so I will never say any sitting MP must go unopposed. There must be consensus in any constituency. And so that lie should be left alone. But as I say, their tactic is that if you miss the ball, don't miss the man. But as for this, they will miss the man because we will not allow their lies to take root.